Hello guys, let's talk about skin whitening home remedies. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best beauty tips and tricks for glowing skin. In today's video, we will be sharing some amazing natural home remedies for skin whitening. These remedies are easy to make and use, so let's get started. Remedy 1. Lemon juice. Our first remedy is lemon juice, which is a fantastic natural skin whitening agent. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and have natural bleaching properties. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl. Step 2. Dip a cotton ball into the juice and apply it to your face. Step 3. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Remedy 2. Turmeric. Next up, we have turmeric, a powerful spice that has been used for centuries in skincare. Turmeric can help lighten skin pigmentation and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Let's see how you can incorporate it into your skincare routine. Step 1. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey to form a paste. Step 2. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Step 3. Rinse it off with water and pat your face dry. Remedy 3. Yogurt. Our third remedy is yogurt, which is not only delicious but also great for skin whitening. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate the skin and promotes a brighter complexion. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Take 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt in a bowl. Step 2. Apply a thin layer of yogurt all over your face and neck. Step 3. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it off with cool water. Remedy 4. Papaya. Moving on to our fourth remedy, we have papaya, a tropical fruit known for its skin lightening properties. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps remove dead skin cells and promotes a more even skin tone. Let's learn how to use it. Step 1. Mash a ripe papaya into a smooth paste. Step 2. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Step 3. Rinse it off with water and pat your skin dry. Remedy 5. Aloe Vera. Last but not least, we have aloe vera, a wonder plant with numerous benefits for the skin. Aloe vera gel has a soothing effect and can help lighten dark spots and blemishes. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf. Step 2. Apply the gel directly to your face and gently massage it in. Step 3. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. That's all for today's video on natural skin whitening home remedies. Remember, these remedies may take time to show results, so be consistent with your skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy skincare! Make sure to subscribe our channel Heal and Beauty Tutorials for daily videos. Thanks for watching.